This is the easy way I teach first-time bolt turners how to turn their first bolt. I'm going to start by finding the center on this walnut blank by using a straight edge from corner to corner. Make my lines. So there's my center point of this blank. Next I'm going to do is use a compass to draw a circle, because the following step is going to be taking it over to a bandsaw to take the corners off of it. Okay, so now that I have the center marked and my circle drawn, we're going to head over to the bandsaw and we're just going to do a quick zip to take the corners off of it. So when cutting this down, I'm not too concerned about being perfect, but I want to stay on the outside of my lines. So now that I have my corners cut off, the next thing I need to do is prepare the blank to get mounted onto the lathe. I'm going to be mounting this onto the lathe with a worm screw today. So I'm going to use a cordless drill with this is a 3/8 drill bit. And what I want to do is actually just use a little bit of tape just to mark off the depth of my drill bit so that I don't drill the hole too deep. So what I'm doing is I'm just using the indentation that my compass made. And just drill a hole into it.